Okay, you want to smash your exams? First, we gotta bust a huge myth about revision.
Right, I'm gonna say it. Stop revising. Because the way you're doing it is probably broken.
But don't worry, we're gonna fix it with the system top grade 9 students actually use.
We all do it. We fall into the comfort trap, just revising what we already know. So strategy 1 is the traffic light method. This is all about working smart, not just hard.
It's super simple. You sort every single topic into 3 groups: red, amber, or green.
Top students? They spend 70% of their time on their red topics. That's where the real marks are.
Okay, next up, strategy 2, task-based planning. This is how you make your plan actually happen.
Stop writing revised biology on your timetable. It's way too vague and just makes you procrastinate. Instead, write a specific task you can actually tick off. Now you're getting stuff done. All right, you've got your tasks, but how do you focus? Meet the 25-minute sprint. It's called the Pomodoro technique. You go hard for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat.
Real talk? Ever planned a study session and just scrolled TikTok instead? Smash that like button.
You know, just committing to starting that timer is the ultimate fix for that distraction loop. So, what if you could make this even easier? You don't need to draw all this stuff yourself. We built everything into our grade 9 guide revision pack. You get the planner, tracker, and task sheets. And get this, because we genuinely want you to succeed, we're making it 100% free. Now this is a premium pack, but for a limited time only, the whole digital download is yours.
Don't sleep on this. The link is waiting for you in the description. Go grab it.
For more systems that will turn those grade 5s into 9s, make sure you subscribe to the channel.
One last thing, drop a comment and tell me, what is the one subject you are most scared of?